Your first question is, MX Excel stands for A. Micromax Excel, B. Management Excel, C. Microsoft Excel, D. Microsoft Access. Your right answer is option C. Microsoft Excel. Your next question is, MS Excel is A. Database management software, B. Presentation software, C. Workbook software, D. Spreadsheet software. Right answer is option D. Spreadsheet software. Next question. Microsoft Excel file is known as A. Document, B. Database, C. Slides, D. Workbook. Right answer is option D. Workbook. Next question is, what is the extension of saved file in Excel? A. .xls, B. .xks, C. .zos, D. .xbs. Right answer is option A. .xls. Next question. The software which contains rows and columns is called A. Spreadsheet, B. Word processing, C. Database, D. None of these. Right answer is option A. Spreadsheet. Next question. Microsoft Excel is used for A. Data entry, B. Data management, C. Accounting, D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question 7. What is the minimum zoom range in an Excel sheet? A. 10%, B. 12%, C. 20%, D. 30%. Right option is option A. 10%. Question 8. What is the maximum zoom percentage in Excel is? A. 100%, B. 300%, C. 400%, D. 500%. Correct option is option C. 400%. Next question. Ms. Excel was first time launched in by the Microsoft Corporation. A. 1985, B. 1991, C. 1995, D. 1998. Right answer is option A. 1985. Next question. Ms. Excel 2019 has column limit of A. 13,684, B. 16,384, C. 18,634, D. 84,163. Right answer option B. 16,384. Next question. MS Excel 2019 has row limit of A. 1,048,576, B. 4,810,576, C. 16,384. Right answer is option A. 1,048,576. Next question. Formulas in Excel start with A. minus, B. plus, C. equal to. Right option is D. equal to. Next question. A file that contains one or more worksheets to organize data is known as A. Workbook, B. Excel book, C. Database. Correct answer is Workbook. Next question. Ms. Excel file cannot be directly exported as A. PDF, B. TXT, C. PPT, D. LSV. Right option is option C. PPT. Last question is, the intersection of row and column in a worksheet is called A. Row, B. Column, C. Cell, D. Tab. Right option is option C. Cell. Thanks for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, turn on notification. Bye bye.